In this tutorial, I will show you how to make the foundation single crochet. But first, what is it and why use it? The foundation single crochet is the chain plus the first row of single crochet stitches created all at once. You can use it anytime your first row is single crochet. The foundation single crochet creates a more flexible chain, it's easier to maintain good tension, and I think it creates a nice finished edge. Here you can see two swatches of single crochet. This first one, I used a chain and then added rows of single crochet. You can see that the flexibility of the work is more flexible at the top and much less flexible at the chain. Whereas with the foundation single crochet, this creates more even flexibility throughout the entire swatch. Now we'll get to the tutorial part. For this tutorial, you can use any yarn and appropriate hook size. I'm using 24/7 cotton, which is a 4-weight mercerized cotton yarn, and a 4.5mm hook. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 2, but be careful not to chain too tight. One and 2. Begin your first foundation single crochet by inserting your hook into that very first chain you made. Pull up a loop. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first loop. Yarn over, pull through both loops. And that is your first foundation single crochet. Now you can see it creates this V right here. When you work your next foundation single crochet, you'll insert your hook under both loops of that V. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first loop. Yarn over, pull through both loops. You have your second foundation single crochet. When you turn it over on the side, you can see that you have your first V right here that you made and the second V right here. So when you work your third foundation single crochet, insert your hook underneath that second V, both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and yarn over, pull through both loops. It's another foundation single crochet. You've created that third V, so insert your hook underneath that V, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and yarn over, pull through both. One more time, you'll insert your hook underneath both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. You can continue this pattern to create your foundation single crochet. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on social media. Bye!